Does obesity pave the way for depression? Could the persistent inflammation often associated with obesity be a contributing factor to depression? There's a growing body of evidence that suggests so. Obesity is characterized by low-grade chronic inflammation, which is typically symptomless but marked by low concentrations of inflammatory markers. This is also the case with type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Inflammation linked to obesity leads to the sustained production of cytokines and other inflammatory markers. Their concentrations may be relatively low, but they are significant. A study conducted in 2008 examined depressive symptoms in individuals with metabolic syndrome, which is characterized by excess weight and alterations in blood pressure, cholesterol, and insulin levels. The study found that these individuals showed more signs of depression than their healthier counterparts, and these symptoms were directly associated with their inflammatory status. The potential link between obesity, inflammation, and depression becomes clearer when we consider that weight loss in obese individuals, particularly when achieved through surgical intervention, is accompanied by a significant reduction in circulating cytokines and other inflammatory markers. This suggests that adipose tissue contributes to the release of inflammatory molecules that later have effects on the brain. In fact, a 2011 study observed that a reduction in cytokine concentrations following weight loss was accompanied by an improvement in the psychological state of the subjects. Such findings hint at a causal link between obesity, inflammation, and depression. But is there direct proof? Animal experiments suggest so. A 2014 study showed that mice that became obese due to a high-fat, high-sugar diet developed inflammation and exhibited much more severe depressive-like behaviors in response to immune stimulation than their lean counterparts. Other animal studies have allowed us to show that certain brain structures, such as the hippocampus, which plays a key role in mood control, seem particularly sensitive to the detrimental effects of inflammation. Indeed, in genetically obese mice, some emotional behavior disorders appear to be linked to inflammation and dysfunction of hippocampal neurons. Furthermore, increasing studies suggest that depression increases the risk of obesity, creating a vicious cycle that is crucial to break. In summary, there is a growing body of evidence that points towards a link between obesity, inflammation, and depression. Weight loss can alleviate the inflammation and depressive symptoms associated with obesity. However, the vicious cycle of obesity and depression underscores the importance of prevention and early intervention. Breaking this cycle is not only crucial for physical health but mental well-being as well.